So right now, let me show you how you can use effects on the iPhone messages. So what we're going to do is we are going to open up the Messages app and we click on the text field at the bottom to actually type a message, right? So obviously it only works with iMessages, so not the regular chats, but let's say I type in like a word, let's say hello. So this is what I'm going to do is that I'm not going to click on the blue button to send it, but instead I'm going to hold it down on it. And then this gives me the ability to pick from those different effects like the invisible ink or, this whatever it is, like the slam effect, or plenty of other ones are available. Or you can move over to the full screen effects, like this is looking really interesting, right? Like the balloons you've probably seen before, or the confetti. Plenty of ways you can do this. But once you pick the actual effect you want, let me just come back to the slam effect, right? Or this one, you can send it like this, and the message now contains the effect. So the other person will see it with that exact effect, which I just set up and sent the message with. That's very useful, but you can also kind of like apply effects sort of to existing chats. Like you can hold down on any text bubble and at least like apply sticker on the top of it, right? So if you have like any stickers in place, you can kind of like paste it over the older messages, and that's like the only way you can add effects to already existing messages. But that's going to be about it from me. That's really everything that you need to know. Let me know in the comments below if you have like more thoughts or questions about it. Definitely subscribe for more tips and videos similar to this one, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.